Hello everyone and welcome back to Zaclit Educational Channel. So the much awaited Zaclit mock test series for the UGC NET December 2024 Environmental Science paper is out now. Yes, this mock test series consists of standard question as per the UGC NET pattern, and tough questions are prepared intentionally to be given in this series, because in exam if you are able to deal with all these questions, then in exam you will find other questions very easy for you. So one more benefit of this mock test series is, while you will be appearing for this test series, you will be able to know which areas from the syllabus you need to revise more attentively before going for the UGC NET examination. So appear all the test series to get the questions from all the units of the syllabus. So why these mock tests are important? They are important because we have prepared the mock test based on the expected questions for the upcoming examination, along with the important previous year's questions which are frequently asked. Also the quiz questions which are coming in the daily quiz for the Zaclit group in the Telegram channel. If you have missed them, then no need to worry, those important questions are also asked here. Along with that, current affairs, numerical question and passages are also present in this mock test. So these will provide you the solid revision, because revision is important for the exam even if you haven't prepared much well. But these mock tests, if you are availing, then you will get an idea what kind of questions are asked and you will be pretty much confident before the examination. The paper 1 mock, so one mock will be for the UGC NET paper 1, which will be covering all these syllabus for the UGC NET paper 1. Will give you a hint what kind of questions are asked as per the latest pattern of UGC NET. So this will be also important thing for you in the preparation step. Coming to the mock test overview, so what will be the mock test kind? So it will be in the Google form, but 3 mock tests for paper 2 EVS will have 300 questions including all the syllabus of the EVS, and 1 mock test for paper 1 consisting of 50 questions. So all the questions answer key you will be getting at the end of the examination in your individual email ID. And the most important thing is, individual links with the unique ID will be provided when you are paying for the mock test. So each individual will be having its own unique ID which you have to put in order to appear for the exam, and timing you have to manage with your own self because there is no timer here. So you have to be honest with the time. So you should complete the 1 mock test for paper 2 in 2 hours maximum and 1 mock test for paper 1 in 1 hour. So 2 simple steps to get this mock test. So you have to pay on this number, that is 88950-35690. I repeat, 88950-35690. You can pay either through Google Pay or Phone Pay, or you can scan this code which you can see in the screen now. You can scan this code and pay through any UPI ID. And step 2, so after doing the payment, you have to give the screenshot of your payment to the Zaclit personal account of mine or the email ID, that is zakihmed9@gmail.com. So these 2 places you can send your payment screenshot, and after that you will be getting your unique ID. That unique ID along with the question paper link, that is the mock test link of all the mock tests you will be getting after sending the payment screenshot. And you can appear for the mock test anytime, whichever is convenient for you before the examination. So कभी भी आप इस एग्जाम को दे सकते हैं जब भी आप कन्वीनियंट फील करें, और इसके लिए कोई टाइम बाउंड नहीं है. बस एग्जामिनेशन जो है UGC NET का, उसके पहले आपको देना है. आफ्टर दैट इट वोंट बी एक्सेप्टिंग एनी रेस्पॉन्सेज. सो नाउ लेट अस टेल यू द कॉस्ट फॉर these 4 solid mocks. It is rupees 199. So questions will be coming from here, I am damn sure, because last time also many questions came from our mock test and the daily quizzes. So this was the thing. Hurry up and prepare yourself for the examination. Give this mock test sincerely and check what is your preparation level. So see you guys in our next video. All the best for the examination. Take care, believe in yourself, and yes, believing in yourself will make your work more easier. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. You can also join our Telegram page for daily quizzes. See you guys in our next video. Till then, keep smiling and believe in yourself.